this is the cabbage we did last time, 2 weeks ago. So that's the difference in the cabbage. In 2 weeks time. Seed for this cabbage was planted about 2 months ago. It takes about 3 months to harvest cabbage. So we first planted the seed in the greenhouse, then we let it sit in the sun, then we transplanted it into the soil. So about another month or so, it'll be ready to harvest. Red cabbage, green cabbage. I believe this is radish or beets. What is this? Kale? Carrots. Because we're gonna see the before and after. Carrots. Yellow squash.
And they ate all the cucumbers overnight.
Oh wow, they ate all the cucumbers. As you can see, there are no more cucumbers. Today we're gonna put up a deer fence because the deers came and ate all the cucumbers. So to put up a deer fence, I'm gonna get a spool of rope like this. And we're gonna tie the rope on these stakes here. 10-foot poles that we're using. This is the start of the deer fence. Gonna tie a rope. Gonna use these to tie the rope on like that. We're putting a fence around all of the food, all of the vegetables, all around the perimeter, this side as well. The stakes are here. Just need to rope it. This whole perimeter will be roped and fenced. Did you need help or you're good by yourself?
I think I'm good.
Okay. So we're gonna take the rope like this. We're gonna tie it in a loop. And we're gonna do like 4 or 5 layers to trick the deer into thinking that this is a real fence. So this layer, this first layer is here. They're putting the stake in now. That's this in the ground. And now once that's in the ground, we're gonna wrap a knot around here. Taking the spool like so, and making the 3rd layer. So I'm doing the 3rd row. The illusion of close, far away, it kind of freaks the deer out, and they're like, whoa, they don't want to come in. So we're only using rope for the fence. So we're gonna do like 4 to 5 layers. 4 close, 4 apart, to kind of give the illusion to the deer. And the deers are not that big, but they are eating up things. So all around the perimeter, all we're doing is tying a knot just like this as we go. We have the stakes, we have the rope, we have the knot,
And that's the deer fence.
it's looking like now. The deers are not eating squash, so we don't need to fence the squash. They want the greenery, and they also want water, so they're chewing holes through the irrigation system. But there's a piece, it's like $4 or $5 to for this piece, and I'll show it to you, that we put in place for the holes, from the holes that were in the irrigation system. We have a tool to cover that up. Here is where the cucumbers were until the deers ate it. We just undid the water hose, and we'll just redo the bedding and just do everything fresh in this area. Once we are complete, everything will be nice and neat and fenced in. Hopefully it will keep the deers out. Tomorrow we'll go to the other farm and do the same thing there. Stay tuned.